Hello dear kids, I welcome you all to your maths class. I hope you all are good, happy, healthy and safe in the safe confines of your home. You all are doing well and enjoying your online classes. And I do hope that you all are watching the videos also. Because children, those videos are like your classroom classes only. जिस तरह से टीचर्स आपको क्लास में पढ़ाते हैं, those videos are exactly like your classroom. We explain everything in detail in the videos. So if you see the videos on a regular basis, you will not have any problem in understanding anything. Then every day we have online classes also. Any doubt you have, you can ask in the online class the next day. So children, this is my sincere request to all of you that you must watch the videos, you must see the videos every day. Okay? If you see the videos, you will definitely enjoy them and आपको उसे समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ओके, सो नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द क्लास. दिस इज योर मैथ्स क्लास एंड दिस इज योर मैथ्स बुक, परफेक्ट कॉम्पोजिट मैथमेटिक्स बुक 1. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड चैप्टर नंबर 2, दैट इज नंबर्स 1 to 10, and now we have started addition of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Now in my previous video also I explained what do you mean by addition. Addition का मतलब क्या होता है? Addition means to bring together. Okay? To bring together or to join together. जब दो चीजों को हम मिला देते हैं या जोड़ देते हैं, then it becomes addition. Okay? Add कर दिया हमने, जोड़ दिया. So when, and as I told you, in addition, we can add numbers, we can add anything, we can add two groups, that is things in two groups. हम कुछ भी add कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So addition means to join together, to bring something together. जब हम दो चीजों को एक साथ ले आते हैं, then it becomes addition. See, for example, we are doing chapter 3, addition. Okay? Suppose this is an orange. Okay? This is one orange. This is again one orange. This is one orange and this is one orange. These are two separate oranges. ठीक है? ये क्या है? ये अलग अलग दो oranges हैं. Okay? Now, if I bring together both the oranges, if I bring this orange along with this, these are two different oranges, two separate oranges, दो अलग अलग ग्रुप में oranges, one orange and one orange. Now, if I bring this orange with this orange, अगर मैं इस orange को इसके साथ ले आऊं, तो they become two. We have two oranges now, isn't it? क्या किया हमने? What have we done? We have brought together both the oranges. हमने क्या किया? हमने दोनों oranges को एक साथ मिला दिया. So as a result, we now have two oranges. ठीक है? तो दोनों oranges को हमने जब add कर दिया, तो one orange plus one orange, it becomes two oranges. Okay? So now we have two oranges. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एडिशन, प्लस। ठीक है, इस ऑरेंज के साथ हमने इस ऑरेंज को ऐड कर दिया, तो वी हैव 2 ऑरेंजेस नाउ. So in addition, what happens? The answer which we get is known as the sum. Okay? And when we add together, जब हम दो चीजों को ऐड कर देते हैं, तो we always get something more. अभी हमारे पास एक ऑरेंज इधर था, एक ऑरेंज इधर था. हमने दोनों ऑरेंजेस को एक साथ कर दिया. So now we have 2 oranges. Okay? तो एडिशन में क्या होता है? When we add together 2 numbers, or when we bring together 2 things or 2 numbers, we get a third number which is the sum of the 2 numbers or 2 things. ठीक है, 1 plus 1, that is 2 oranges. So 2 is the sum of 1 plus 1. So addition करने पे जो आंसर आता है, that is known as the sum. ठीक है, so this is how addition का मतलब है adding 2 things or bringing together 2 things. Okay, this is addition. Now we had started the sign of is equal to in my previous video. Okay, the sign of is equal to, as I was explaining, is equal to मतलब बराबर. 2 is equal to 2, that means बराबर है. 2 और 2 बराबर है ऑब्वियसली, तो 2 is equal to 2. जैसे this side I have 3 oranges. Okay, these are 3 oranges, and this side I have 2 mangoes. These are 2 mangoes. So can you say 3 is equal to 2? आप क्या बोल सकते हो कि 3 and 2 बराबर है? 3 oranges and 2 mangoes तो बराबर नहीं होंगे. So they are not equal. Okay. So if I add one more mango here, now it is 3 mangoes. Now there are 3 mangoes. So this means 3 is equal to 3. On both sides we have 3 fruits. On this side we have 3 oranges, and on this side we have 3 mangoes. So now on both the sides we have equal number of fruits. Okay, so this is the sign of is equal to, and we read it as is equal to. Okay, this is the sign of is equal to. 3 is equal to 3. ठीक है, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 4. So is equal to means is equal to के इस साइड जो नंबर है and इस साइड जो नंबर है both should be same. is equal to का मतलब होता है बराबर. तो is equal to के दोनों साइड के जो नंबर्स हैं they should be same. ठीक है, वो दोनों बराबर होने चाहिए. Clear? So this is the sign of is equal to. So I hope this is clear to everyone. ये मैंने is equal to मैंने अपने previous video में भी explain किया था. So I hope this is clear to you all. So we will do the exercises now. Okay? We will do the exercise now. Now fill in the placeholder. Placeholder means, see the first example, on one side we have 4 bulbs and on another side we have 4 rockets. So what you have to do is, you have to just count the number of things and write the number in the placeholder. Okay. Now I cannot make this penguin, so in place of penguin I will make stars. Okay. Is equal to Now count. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars are there. And since there is sign of is equal to, so that means on this side also we should have 7 leaves only. इधर भी हमारे पास कितनी लीव्स होनी चाहिए? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means we should have the same number of things on both the sides. अगर इधर 7 stars हैं and if there are 6 leaves, then we cannot say 7 is equal to 6. 7 is equal to 6 हम नहीं कह सकते ना. So is equal to के दोनों साइड में the number should be the same. मतलब is equal to के इस साइड में and is equal to के इस साइड में. This side is, अगर आप देखोगे तो this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. तो is equal to के left and right दोनों साइड में number of things should be equal. Then only we can put this sign is equal to. Okay? Now see the next one. There are some beetles on one side. How many beetles can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 beetles and there is sign of is equal to. That means on this side also we should have 6. जो भी चीज है उसका नंबर कितना होना चाहिए? 6. Okay? So on this side we have 6 bells. So on both the sides we should have equal number of things. Okay? This side we have 6 beetles and on this side we have 6 bells. So that means 6 is equal to 6. Since there is sign of is equal to in between, बीच में किसका sign है? Is equal to का sign है. So दोनों side में number of things should be same. Okay? Let us see the next example. On this side we have how many flowers can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 flowers and there is sign of is equal to in between. So on this side also we should have something 9. Whatever it is, जो भी है. So if star is there, that means we should have 9 stars on this side also. Okay, so on both the sides we should have equal number of things. If there are 9 flowers on this side, that means we should have something of 9 on this side also. Okay, so this is the sign of is equal to. Now next is fill in the प्लेस होल्डर्स. प्लेस होल्डर्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, प्लेस होल्डर्स का मतलब होता है जो ब्लैंक स्पेस होती है उसको बोलते हैं प्लेस होल्डर. नाउ हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज fill in the place holders. Okay, so what you have to do is 5 is equal to, and here you have to write the correct number. So if there is sign of is equal to in between, यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? Which number will come here? Obviously 5, because on this side we have 5. So on this side also we should have 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Three is equal to, on this side we have 3 and in between we have sign of is equal to, मतलब बराबर वाला sign, is equal to मतलब बराबर. So that means on both the sides we should have equal number, तभी तो बराबर होगा. अगर मम्मी ने आपको 2 टॉफीज दिया और आपकी सिस्टर को 3 टॉफीज दिया, छोटी है आपसे, तो मम्मी ने बोला वो छोटी है तो उसको 3 टॉफीज दे देते हैं, तो आप दोनों को बराबर टॉफीज मिली? नहीं मिली ना. सिस्टर को शी गॉट 1 मोर टॉफी, दैट मीन्स यू गॉट 2 टॉफीज. आपको कितनी टॉफीज मिली? 2. और सिस्टर को कितनी मिली? 3. सो इज 2 इक्वल टू 3? नहीं है ना. सिस्टर छोटी थी, मम्मी ने उसको 3 टॉफीज दे दी, बट 2 and 3 आर नॉट सेम. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर विच इज इक्वल टू 3. और 3 के बराबर कौन सा नंबर होगा? Only 3. So here also we will write 3. Seven, in between you have to place, यहाँ पे आपको फिलअप करना है. तो आप किससे फिलअप करोगे? 7, इधर भी 7 है, इधर भी 7 है, तो क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? 7 is equal to 7. Okay? What will you write here? On both the sides we have 6. That means 6 is equal to 6. ठीक है? We will put the sign of is equal to. Is equal to 4. Now sign of is equal to is there. बीच में क्या है? Is equal to का साइन है. And इस साइड क्या लिखा हुआ है? इस साइड एक नंबर लिखा है, तो इधर भी सेम नंबर होना चाहिए. सिंस देयर इज साइन ऑफ इज इक्वल टू, तो 4 इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, 4 इज इक्वल टू 4. विच नंबर विल कम हियर? यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? हियर अगेन 8 इज इक्वल टू. 8 किस नंबर के बराबर होगा? 8 will obviously be equal to 8 only. 8 तो 8 के बराबर होगा. We cannot say 8 is equal to 7 और 8 is equal to 6. हर नंबर अपने नंबर के बराबर होगा. 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3. So हर एक नंबर अपने नंबर के बराबर होगा. So we have to write same number on both the sides. Is equal to के इधर जो नंबर लिखना है और is equal to के इधर जो नंबर लिखना है, दोनों नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. So 8 is equal to 8. Okay? I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we will start addition sums. ठीक है? अभी तो ये मैं is equal to का पहले मैंने बताया कि what is equal to. Is equal to होता है बराबर. So now on both the sides of is equal to you should have the same number. ठीक है? अभी 8 is equal to 8 है. यहां हमने पूरा 8 लिखा. 8 को हम ब्रेक करके भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? सो लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन डू इट. इसको हम कैसे करते हैं ये अब हम देखेंगे. सो वी विल स्टार्ट एडिशन नाउ. The name of the chapter is addition only. Now we will see addition sums. Okay? अभी हम addition के sums करेंगे. Suppose on one side you have 1, 2 and On one side, you have two glasses. How many glasses on this side? You have two glasses on this side. And how many glasses on this side? इस साइड कितने ग्लासेस हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses. ठीक है? So that means 2 and 4. 2 and 4, when you combine all the glasses, if you combine 2 glasses and 4 glasses, then how many glasses will be there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So if you combine these 2 glasses and 6 glasses, how many glasses will you get? You will get 6 glasses. That means 2 and 4. 2 and 4 make 6 glasses. Okay? 2 and 4 make how many glasses? 2 glasses and 4 glasses. They make 6 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count from this side also and you can count from this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You can count from both the sides. आप किधर से भी count करो, you will get 6 glasses only. Whether you add 4 glasses with 2 glasses, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get 6 glasses, or whether you add 2 glasses with 4 glasses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you again get 6 glasses. मतलब आप चाहे 2 glasses को 4 glasses में के साथ combine कर दो, और you combine 4 glasses with 2 glasses. दोनों ही केसेस में आपको कितने ग्लासेस मिल रहे हैं? 6 glasses. So how do we write this? 2 and की जगह we are using the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. कहीं भी अगर ये साइन बना हुआ है, that means you have to add. So 2 plus 4. In place of and, I have used the sign plus. Okay? So 2 plus 4 and make की जगह the sign of is equal to. Okay? अभी इसके पहले हमने is equal to पूरा पढ़ा. Is equal to के दोनों साइड में क्या होना चाहिए? Numbers should be same on both the sides of is equal to. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? On both the sides, this is 6 and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So in place of writing 6 here, यहाँ पे 6 लिखने की जगह 6 को हमने कैसे लिखा? We have written 6 as 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? On both the sides, we have 6. So this is the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. So when we add two numbers or when we bring together two groups. Here we have 2 glasses in first group and 4 glasses in second group. Okay? When we combined both the groups, or you can say when we added both the groups, how many glass did we get? कितने glasses हमें मिल गए? We got 6 glasses. हमें 6 glasses मिल गए. So we write 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? So plus is the sign of addition. कहीं भी अगर ये sign है, that means you have to add. Okay? So this is how we add two things. So let us see a few more examples. On both sides of is equal to, we should have same number. ठीक है? is equal to के दोनों साइड का नंबर सेम होना चाहिए. So suppose how many balls are there? There are 3 balls. So and okay. So So how many balls are there? 3 balls. 3 and how many balls are there? 2. So 3 and 2 make how many balls? When you count both the balls, both the groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls do you get? You get 5 balls. So 3 and 2 make 5. 3 and 2 मिला के कितना हो गया? 5. So we write it as 3 in place of and. I use the sign of plus. 3 plus 2 and in place of make I use the sign of is equal to. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. In this group I have 3 balls. In another group I have 2 balls. Okay. So when I combine both the groups, 3 balls and 2 balls, so it becomes 5 balls. So again, whether you add these 2 balls with 3 balls, मतलब आप चाहे इस 2 balls को इस 3 balls के साथ मिला दो, you get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 5. Or you add these 3 balls with these 2 balls. अगर आप इन 3 balls को इन 2 balls के साथ मिला दो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आप दोनों तरीके से आपको क्या मिलेगा? 5. ठीक है. आप चाहे ये 3 balls को इन 2 balls के साथ ऐड कर दो और you add these 2 balls with these 5 balls. What do you get? You will get 5 in both the cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 5. So that means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay? 3 balls and 2 balls is equal to 5 balls. Let us see one more example. I hope ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है. This is clear to all of you. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये. On one side I have 3 candles and on another side I have 2, 3. How many candles? These are 3 and how many candles? 4. So 3 and 4 make how many candles? 3 and 4 make how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 4 make 7. Okay. 3 and 4 make 7. So that means 3 in place of and I will use the sign of plus. And की जगह मैंने क्या use किया? Plus का sign use किया. So 3 plus 4. And make की जगह मैंने क्या use किया? The sign of is equal to. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. So whether you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will get 7 only. Okay. So addition means bringing together 2 things or 2 numbers या 2 collection को जब हम एक साथ मिला देते हैं. So that is addition. Let us see one more example. These are and how many toffees can you count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and how many toffees can you count here? 2. So 5 and 2 make how many toffees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how 5 and 2 make 7, or I can write it as 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay children? So that means we are adding, when we add two numbers, we get the third number. ठीक है, जब हम two numbers को add करते हैं तो वो हमें third number मिलता है, and this third number is always bigger than the two numbers. जिन दो numbers को हम add करते हैं, जब हमें third number जो answer आता है वो third number इन two numbers से हमेशा बड़ा होगा. ठीक है, and the answer which we get is known as the sum. ये जब हम दो numbers को add करते हैं तो आंसर जो आता है उसको कहते हैं sum. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to all of you. You have any doubt, कोई भी doubt है, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया है, तो you can always ask me in the online class which we conduct on the next day. Okay children, so that is all for today. जितना मैंने पढ़ाया है इससे आप रिवाइज करोगे, इससे आप please go through the video properly. Okay, any doubt, ask me the next day. Thank you children, thank you for joining me.